Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Nano S Plus. First, unbox your device and ensure all components are present. Next, connect your Ledger to your computer using the provided USB cable. Then, download and install the Ledger Live application from the official Ledger website. This software is essential for managing your device and your crypto assets securely. Now let's initialize your device. Power on your Ledger and select Setup as New Device. You will then choose a strong PIN code between 4 and 8 digits to secure your device. Most importantly, carefully write down your 24-word recovery phrase on the provided sheet. This phrase is your master key. Keep it extremely safe. With your device initialized, open Ledger Live. Connect your Ledger Nano S Plus to the application and follow the on-screen prompts to verify its authenticity. Next, install the applications for the cryptocurrencies you wish to manage directly onto your device. Finally, add your desired crypto accounts within Ledger Live to start sending and receiving funds. To maintain optimal security, always keep your 24-word recovery phrase secret and stored offline in a secure location. Before confirming any transaction, always verify the details, including the amount and recipient address, directly on your Ledger device's screen. Regularly update your device's firmware through Ledger Live to ensure you have the latest security enhancements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.